Ladies and gentlemen, good evening. My name is Lydia Knapp. I'm your customer service manager on board this flight to London Heathrow Terminal 5. I'd like to add my personal welcome to you all and also to welcome back our executive club members and One World Recon flyers. As we've said, we do recommend you keep your seatbelt fastened whenever you're seated. It must be securely fastened when the seatbelt sign is on. And when it is safe to leave your seat, please do take care when opening the overhead lockers, as items may have moved and could fall out and cause injury. Well, our onboard service will commence shortly, and if you're seated in our Club Europe cabin, we'll be offering you a complimentary meal and drinks from the bar. And in Eurotraveller, we do have a great selection of food and drinks available to purchase. You can find details of today's Marks & Spencer's onboard menu in your seat pocket. You can pay by using either a credit or a debit card, and for our executive club members we do also accept Avios. Please note, we do not accept cash as payment. We'll shortly be coming through the cabin to take any orders for hot food. Later in the flight we'll be opening our High Life shop. There is a brochure in your seat area. We'll also come through the cabin with landing cards for the United Kingdom. So if the United Kingdom or the Republic of Ireland is your final destination and you do not hold a European passport, then you will need to complete the landing card. However, if you are on direct transit to another international flight tonight, there is no need for you to complete one. If you're unsure, just ask us. I hope you'll sit back, relax and enjoy the flight. There's a call button in the panel above your head, or you can visit us in the galley.